Hi my friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Yes, this time violin teacher. Because with this video I'm opening my new course how to play violin. And today I'll help you to choose your first violin. When I'm going in the music stores, very often I see parents who trying to choose violin for their kids, or some adults who is trying to choose violin for themselves. It's very good if you already have your teacher who can explain you what size of violin you need, or what size of the bow you need, what kind of strings you should buy, because otherwise when you come to the store you might have surprise. Actually, there is quite a few sizes of violin and bows. If you are choosing a violin for your kid and your kid is up to 5 years old, you will choose a violin from sizes 132, 116, 110 and 1/8. The kid from 5 up to 10 probably will need size 1/4, 1/2. Kids from 10 up to 12 will need sizes 1/2 or 3/4. The full size of violin or 4/4 will be good for the adults or for teenagers. Well, now you already know what kind of size of violin you need, but please let's not forget that every kid growing differently and develop differently, and sometimes for smaller kid we need bigger violin, but for bigger kid we need smaller violin. And there is a trick. So take a violin that you're about to buy, take your kid and put that violin on the left shoulder. Left shoulder of your kid, not yours, yeah? So put it just like this, yeah, next to the neck. Then put his left hand like this in the parallel with the violin. If violin, the head of the violin getting all the way to the wrist, like it's my violin and my hand and my wrist, yeah, this is the right size for your kid. If the head of the violin somewhere here, this violin is too small for you, don't buy it. If the head of the violin somewhere there, like the hand of the kid is straight, yeah, but he cannot even grab it because his hand is too short, this violin is too big for the kid. Don't buy it. I'm not recommending to buy the violins big like this. But if your kid can grab the violin like this by the head of the violin and his hand here straight in a parallel with the violin, I really suggest you to buy this size, because kids, they are growing up very fast, and maybe in half of the year this violin will be perfect for your kid and you don't have to buy violins 2 times and change it so often. If you are buying a violin for an adult or for the teenager, it's the same system. Put the violin on the shoulder of the person or on your shoulder if you're buying for yourself, or next to the neck. Stretch your left hand and the head of the violin have to be right here. It should be full size of the violin. Also, you have to buy a shoulder rest, and for the kids up to 6 years old, I'll suggest to tail small pillows here, because it's much more comfortable for them and it's not so hard like a shoulder rest. And as well, don't forget to buy extra set of strings, for sure you will need them. Well, for today that's it. If you have any questions about about violins, the size of the violin, accessories for the violin, don't be shy and write me in the comments, and it will be my pleasure to answer you. And don't forget to subscribe for my channel, and you will